It feels like home, home, home. It feels like home, home, home. It feels like home.
Hi, welcome to Welcome Home. I'm Paul, and this is my brother Luke.
So I've been learning about Eric Liddell, and he was an Olympic runner. He was from Edinburgh, Scotland, so I'm making Scottish shortbread. To make the shortbread, first you're going to need 4 sticks of softened butter. I don't know.
I'll bring the thing over so that he can get it in
Just gonna
there.
dump them right in.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Have fun, dump them in there.
Can he get him to there?
Yep. Sorry, I'm doing this one. That's okay. Then I'm gonna need a cup of brown sugar.
There you go. Yep.
Now we're just gonna let this stir for about 3 or so minutes, and we'll check it after that once everything's all combined. I've been racing in cross country this year, and this weekend is my last race and my little brother's first.
Thank you. Nice job.
So how much flour is that?
That's 1 cup.
So how much total flour?
4.
For what?
4 cups of flour.
Okay. And then just turn it on low till it's combined. Is that what you're doing? Do you need a spatula to scrape down the sides maybe?
Possibly. Oh my gosh, this is literally impossible. It is so sticky.
Mm-hmm. It's a thick dough. And then you're gonna roll it out. A little more. A little harder. So I'm just gonna help Luke get this out of the mixer here. And as you can see, it's a very thick dough. That's what you want. This is shortbread, and so it actually mixes a little longer than a regular cookie dough, in my opinion, probably because it's called shortbread. But we're gonna make sure and get every last bit of that sugar and butter and flour mixture off of our beater as best as we can. And this doesn't have any salt added to the recipe, but if you're using unsalted butter, I would probably add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So a lot of people make these and then they dip them in chocolate. I like them just plain with some sand sugar on the top, and that's how we'll show you. So Luke, what did you just do here?
So I've sprinkled the flour over the counter, and I've also put flour on my rolling dough.
And do you have any idea how thick we want to roll this out?
No, not quite.
So I think we want it about 1/2 inch thick. Okay, so let's do half at a time. So first you're gonna want to just take a little bit of the flour and kind of sprinkle it over this and get it nice and flat and into kind of a round, so that then you can very gently. It's a really pretty delicate dough, so you're gonna start in the middle, just gently. And with a rolling pin, you always wanna pick up and turn. Pick up and turn. Pick up and turn. Pick up and turn. Pick up and turn, so you do it. And when you think you have it about a ½ inch, I'll have you cut them. So what you mostly want to be concerned with is just making sure that your dough is all even so that these cookies all bake the same. So I'm just going to straighten that out just a little bit. So you can just come in. I think you did a good job. And I'm going to have you take a fork and make little pinpricks in it. And then we're trying to bring these to his practice tonight. So I'm going to cut it in half. And cut it in half again. Taste that. Ooh.
It's pretty good.
Is it? They're pretty,
Sugary.
are they sugary? So we'll take these, just leave them over here, and try and just lightly spread those out if you can. Nice. Now shortbread, don't spread a whole bunch.